recently purchased the Happen 55-inch round trampoline for my kids to play on, and I wanted to get a cover to make sure that it stays protected. So I purchased this one on Amazon from the TN Bao store. So let's unbox this and see exactly how it fits. Here's what it looks like when it's all laid out. It's actually a really nice heavy-duty material. It has a front zipper that opens up. Okay, I got it halfway on. I just wanted to show you what it looks like at this point. And then I pulled it down and it fits really, really well. And it actually has some little clasps that can clasp onto the poles right here that I buckled. So that makes it actually stay affixed to the trampoline here. And there's actually several of those clasps to go around the whole thing. And lastly, just gonna zipper it. Wow, and that's it. It's all the way on. I was able to do it all by myself without any help, so I highly recommend this, especially if you are storing this trampoline or one of the other variations that are available on Amazon. This will fit any 55-inch trampoline, and I think they also have other sizes for even larger trampolines.